Hello, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today Nifty opened gap up at this area. This was the resistance area and Nifty continuously failed from this area. So we'll see on 15 minutes. This was the trend line which Nifty was respecting, and today Nifty opened gap up to this area and then went down continuously. As you can see, only one green candle formed till here. So when I saw the Nifty chart, Nifty was near this area. This area. So I thought I'll wait for some retracement. I was expecting it to touch this area and then show some sign of weakness. So what happened, it went down and then it here it formed inverted hammer candle, red candle. So I thought I'll short here and I kept my limit order here and it got triggered and kept my SL above this high. So as you can see, my SL got hit. Here the first mistake was Nifty was almost at the end of the trend. How we will got to know that? Because Nifty was continuously falling from 16,400 to 15,900. So Nifty did not retrace in this downtrend. This was the small retracement, but Nifty was almost continuously falling. Today also it continuously failed till here. Only one green candle, that is also inverted hammer candle. So, and one more thing is which I did not see, that candles forming here are very small. They have wick, they are very small, and if you can see here, the candles are not that small. They are wide range. I mean, some candles are wide range, and you can see proper red candles forming. But here, that was not the case. And also, if you see, there very small lower lows were forming. Like this was the low, again this was the low, again this was the low, then higher, 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 high, higher low. Sorry. Then again, when it came at this area, hammer candles were forming. So here 1:1 was achieved, but I did not cover my position. I waited for 1:2 till here. So what happened? It went and hit myself. So this was the first trade in Nifty. Again, when it came near this area, here my SL was hit. I don't know. Here I will show in Bank Nifty. So here my SL got hit. Here my SL got hit. Then again, when it was showing some sign of weakness and again the wide range red candles were forming, I again shorted at the same area and again my SL got hit. So this was my two lost trades in Nifty. As my view was incorrect, I was against the trend. So my 2 SL was hit. After this trade, I should have learned that this is not the right trade or right position. This was again against the trend. So these were my two trades in Nifty. Again, uh, I took a trade in Adani Ports. Yeah, Adani Ports, same mistake you can say. This was the downtrend. This was the retracement channel pattern. When the channel pattern was broke, I shorted, and you can see it went in my favor for almost 1:1. But again, I did not cover my position, and when it went to 1:1, I trailed my SL to half. So here my SL got hit, and it here also my target was 1:2, which was not achieved because again the Nifty was near the end of the trend, we'll say. It was consolidating here, so I should have understood that this is not a good risk to reward. I should have covered at 1:1. Okay, so these three were the losses I covered. Then again, after these three losses, I took one more trade in Bank Nifty. That was the over trading. Here I did the over trading. So what was the mistake? After these green candles were forming, I was still not sure if this is the uptrend, because my initial view was bearish, which was contradicting me. So I was not able to take trade here at this breakout, because I was thinking that it is going to fall somewhere from here or here. This was the resistance, so it will fall from here or here. After that, when it crossed the major resistance area, it crossed this area, I went long. So as you can see here also, my SL got hit at this area, at this candle. This was a good trade, but after three losses, my mind was not correct, my view was not correct, my thinking was not correct. It was not giving me proper trade execution ideas. And here, if I would have waited for retracement, I did not wait for retracement, I just jumped into trade here. That was wrong. That's why I was not able to cover this position in profit, because if I would have shorted, I would have went long in near almost this area. And as you can see, the SL was hit almost by 1 or 2 points maybe, and then it went to my target 1:2 almost. So this last trade was correct, but the trade execution was incorrect because of my previous three losses. I did over trading, so I was scared in this trade, so I did not follow my rules. So these were the mistakes I did today after consecutive 3 days of profit. So I hope you are learning from my mistakes, and I am also learning from my mistake. So that's it for my video, and thank you for watching my video.